Okay, we have Athena's little puppies. 6 little puppies. Here's Gracie. Belongs to Joan. I won't remember everything. There's a little Blenheim male. And back there's a little girl with a dark pink collar on. If they fit tight, I can't see a whole lot. And this is the little girl with the yellow collar. And then we have the little boy in the middle. He has a blue collar. His name's Rio. And there's a little girl with a light pink collar on right there. So they're doing pretty good on the floor. They're going to all try to come to me, of course. So we have Gracie and the yellow color, Neil's family. I'm going to keep backing up. So it's hard for an old lady getting up and down on the floor, but I thought I would try it this time. Hey guys! Hey! Let's explore! Come on! Gracie's gonna explore. Don't have a name for everybody yet. This little girl named Chica. Let me see. Yes, that's Chica. Little Chica. Yeah. Little Chica. Hey baby. Yeah. Yeah. Well, we have Rio right here. Hi, Rio. Hey, buddy. Rio. And then we have the little Blenheim male. I think that belongs to Rachel. I get Rachel, and there's a couple of names I get mixed up. And this little girl's Millie, the dark pink collar on. Millie, are you exploring, baby? Hi, Millie. Hi, baby. Hi. It's going to be too long of a video. Hey. Hey, boy. It's a little boy. Another boy. The rest are girls. They're all spoken for. And little Chica's chewing on my arm. You're chewing on my arm, huh, baby? Yeah. Little Chica's the first one to venture out. All right. Oh, that's little Chica right there, and the other one is the yellow one. Yellow ribbon. I can't tell. Yes. Yeah. Hey. Millie. Hey guys. Hey. Gracie. She's very curious. Hey Gracie. Hey. Hey. Come on. Come on, boy. Rio. Rio. Hey. Rio. Come on. None of them are very scared. Of course, little different noises. They wonder what is that, but we're working on it. We're working on it.